Hey folks, Kevin Williamson here. I'm a technology specialist on the Microsoft CRM team here at headquarters in lovely Redmond, Washington. And in this video, I'm going to give you a quick view towards a new feature in Dynamics CRM 2011, and that's conditional formatting inside of the Outlook client. So let's take a look at this. As I come over to my Outlook client, you'll see that I'm actually looking at CRM records. I'm looking at my opportunities and the open opportunities view. And note that I have a couple of opportunities, three in fact, that are expected to close here in the month of November of 2010. Now, I'd like to call these out a little bit bolder to make sure they grab my attention, and I know that these are things that I need to make a top priority. So I'm going to use some conditional formatting. Same kind of conditional formatting I can apply to emails and tasks and other things inside of Outlook. To get there, I simply need to click on my View tab and select View Settings. I'm also happen to be a right-click person, so instead of that, I can right-click here in the display area and choose View Settings. I'm going to select the conditional formatting, and we're going to specify a new rule. So you can see there are already a few rules that are defined for me out of the box. I want to create a new one called Closing this month, and then we need to choose a font for this. So let's go ahead and make this bold and 9-point, and we'll make this the color of money. And then I need to set the actual condition for this as well. When is this going to look like that? So I click on Condition, and I'm going to select my Advanced tab. And when I look at the different fields that are available to me, many of these are actually Outlook-related fields, but the user-defined fields are the fields that are available to me for opportunities, including the one that I want to focus on here, which is the estimated close date. After selecting estimated close date, I need to define a condition. In this case, I wanted to see those that are closing this month, so I'll add that to my list, and I'll click OK. Now, before I go any further, I do want to highlight something, that the rules that are in this view have a hierarchy. They have an order that you can move up and down. And one in particular here is the overdue contacts. So we're going to spend a moment or two looking at that. If I click OK and OK again, we'll see that my view changes and that two of those three opportunities that are due here in the month of November have been highlighted. Now, if you look at the request for quote opportunity name, we'll also see that there is a task over here on the right-hand side. I created a follow-up for that particular opportunity that was due yesterday. And so because it's overdue, it's highlighted in red, so it's grabbing my attention that way, and it's using that rules hierarchy to show it in red as opposed to showing it in green. By the way, setting those follow-ups, very easy thing to do. Simply right-click on any of your records here in the Outlook client, choose follow-up. Let's set this for next week, and we'll see a new follow-up item established for that particular opportunity there on the right-hand side. So just a couple of quick things that I hope will make you a little bit more productive as you work with Dynamics CRM 2011. Look for more videos with tips and tricks from me and my team. Thanks for your time today.